Welcome to CCNA Version 3 course. Lecture number 1. Introduction to CCNA Version 3 Cisco Certified Network Associate. Why Cisco? Answer. Rely on Cisco to help you build a network that meets your specific business needs. Empower your business to take full advantage of existing and future applications, whether hosted locally or in the cloud. Why Cisco? Why CCNA? What are the benefits? Recommended experience, basic understanding of computer functions, email, web browser, etc. Related certifications, CCNA routing and switching. Recommended equipment, Cisco 2600 series router, 2950 or 3550 ideal switch. Cisco packet tracer, GNS3 emulated environment. Introduction to CCNA and Network Administrator. CCNA Cisco Certified Network Associate is an information technology IT certification from Cisco. CCNA certification is an associate level Cisco career certification. Network Associate Network Administrator, having knowledge and skills to install, configure, operate and troubleshoot a small to medium size enterprise branch network. For example, a network administrator can make the basic configuration of routers, switches and firewalls, etc. Cisco Company. Cisco is American multinational technology company founded in December 1984 by Leonard Bosak and Sandy Lerner, two Stanford University computer scientists. Cisco headquarters is in San Jose, California, USA. Cisco Company develops, manufactures and sells networking hardware, telecommunications equipment and other high technology services and products. Cisco products: IP pool, switches, routers, CCTV cameras, etc. Cisco founders and CEO: Sandy Lerner and Leonard Bosak. Cisco logo: 1985, 1990, 1996, 2006. Cisco building blocks: CCENT, Cisco Certified Entry Networking Technician. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. CCIE, Cisco Certified Inter-Network Expert. Cisco Certified Architect. Certification tracks: Cloud, Collaboration, Cybersecurity Operations, Data Center, Design, Industrial, Routing and Switching, Security, Service Provider, Wireless. Exam description: Associated certifications, CCNA routing and switching. Exam number 200-125 CCNA. Exam mode online. Duration 90 minutes, 60 to 70 questions. Available languages: English, Japanese. Certification fee $325. Register person view. Identities: passport, driving license, ATM card, credit card. A CCNA certification remains valid for 3 years, at which point recertification is required.